Hello, guys. Welcome to a weekly episode. And Nifty on Friday was inside a range of Thursday's session. Here we can see Thursday high and low were impact, and there was an inside bar candle form. And on Friday, if we see foreign market, if we see Dow, there was an explosive upside move. Now, what does it means? I think that this gap was holding up. Okay, there was sure weakness, but because of Friday Dow session, we can expect Nifty to join again on the upside. I think Nifty will join with the foreign market, and important level now for the next trading session will be 18600. Okay, a break above 18600, I will expect first level of 18700, and after 18700, 18800. Okay, now there is a high chance that Nifty will follow the foreign market, and there is a possibility of gap up opening. If we see a gap up opening above 18660, then well and good. Again, we will go for the same target. If we will see gap up opening above 18700, then you can wait for 15 minutes, let the market settle, and then you can take the trade. On the downside, if we see some bad news, okay, as of now I am not reading any bad news in the market. uh Lower level, now you must all be aware of 18480 level. Okay, now I will be watching this level. Breach below this level will be surely a downward move till 18400. Okay, and 18300. As of now, I am not expecting this to happen. Market, I don't think that it will try to go down, and our bias now will be on the upside. Let us see Bank Nifty. If I go and see Bank Nifty here, Bank Nifty is inside and channel, and similarly like Nifty, Bank Nifty has formed an inside bar candle pattern. um, on Bank Nifty, you all know that how to trade channel now. If there is a breach below this channel support, definitely there will be some downward pressure, and you can wait for 43,400 level to be breached. But again, I am not expecting some downward, downside movement in Bank Nifty. I think Bank Nifty might take support. Okay, as of now, this seems to be, it is taking here support and above Thursday's candle high, or you can simply take a trade above 44 200. Okay, when Bank Nifty goes above 44 200, then try to take long, or you can join hands with the trend direction, which is nothing but on the upside, and then you can at least expect 44 500 and 44 800 in the same session to come. Okay, right now let us go and see Dow chart, and here we can see one way movement. Okay, one side movement, and this candle is signifying that all this consolidation which was happening for the past 2 to 3 months is over. But we will still wait for 35,000 level. We have seen there is a very strong resistance on Dow on the higher level. Here you can see, let me remove this. Here you can see 35,000 being a strong resistance level, and apart from 35,000 you can see 34 400, 34 200. Okay, 34 800, all the level between 34 to 35,000 were acting as a resistance in the Dow. Now, because of this move, our bias is of now upside, and if we see Dow again gaining some moment, we will definitely see Dow reaching at 34 200. And in this week, we will be able to know whether this hurdle has been cleared out or not. I think it might take a week time to clear 35K if this momentum persists. Otherwise, we will again follow some kind of, this moment, sideways moment at the resistance level. So let us see this week, our bias should be on a upside. Okay, guys, so moving toward crude oil, here we can see it is taking support in the range of 70 to 72 level, and here again this is not indicating any negative or positive signal to the equity side. Let us see HAL, our first FNO counter. Here we can see there is a rising resistance line. Okay, we can see this is first touch point, this is second touch point, this is third touch point. Okay, this rising resistance line is somehow providing resistance whenever the price touches this line. Here, if I can see now, this line is very near. Okay, let me mark the clear level for you. Here you can see the clear level which is coming is 3210. Okay, 3210 is the level. If this is taken out in the next session or sessions to come, because sometime it might happen, you can see here uh, many doji candles are formed, okay, near the resistance level. So sometime it take reversal, after that sometime it gives us a breakout. And here in this case, if the said level 3210 is taken out, then I would like to go on upside trade. And there you can look for a target of 3250 level. Okay, this is immediate intraday level, and 3300 level. uh, if the move is quite explosive, then I think 3400 to 3500 can be expected in the week. Whenever trading such setup, you should always keep the candle breakout candle low as an SL. So let us say if there was this candle giving breakout, okay, then this candle low would be your SL. Like this, you can play safely if you're trading for some positional moves. Let us see our second counter, which is TVS Motor. Now let us see TVS Motor, how how this chart is setting up. And I can see there is a breakout. There is a breakout from this range near about 6 to 8 month range. After that, now first of all, this breakout was supported by a gap. So this means this was a breakaway gap. Okay, the gap which is formed when there is a breakout, this means there is a significant strength in the trend. After that, there was a consolidation, you can see here. Now point to notice is that uh, this counter was holding up the higher level, and there was no retest. Sometime counter may come down and give us again a pullback trade, but here the counter strength was strong and it was consolidating in a sideways. So this is a second clue. And then we can see here an important candlestick pattern has formed. Let me zoom this chart. We call this as a separating line pattern. Here last two candle you can see. Why separating line? Because there was this week closing. After that, on this day, the last trading day, there was a gap up opening. Okay, this opening was at the opening of Thursday level. Now this signifies a gap here. Okay, and this create a separating line pattern. So how to trade this? Ideally we trade whenever this uh, the last candle which you are saying, the Friday candle high is taken out, then you can simply go long trade. I mean, you can simply trade with the trend, and here the trend is of upside, so we will do long trade. Now right now in this chart I am seeing immediate resistance. Okay, so what I will say, you can let me mark this level. See this. This is the immediate resistance which is coming at 1317. Okay. So whenever this counter takes out 1317 level, okay, that is acting as a resistance. You can also wait for 1320. Then after breaching this level, I would expect some good upside movement here, and I would expect for intraday 1350, and for the coming week 1400 level to come here, because we are joining hands with the trend. And guys, before ending our session, always remember that we should always place our stop loss, whether you're taking trade in intraday or you are taking trade as a position. This is it for our video. I hope you are liking our content. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in a next video.